How do you convert a decimal to a percentage? You multiply the decimal by 100%. Let's look at an example. You need to convert the decimal 0.0314 to a percentage. First off, recall that when you multiply a decimal by 100, you simply move the decimal point 2 places to the right. To convert the decimal 0.0314, multiply it by 100%. Let's multiply it only by 100 first. 0.0314 times 100 is 3.14. Then you just add the percent sign onto the end. So 0.0314 times 100% is equal to 3.14%, which means that 0.0314 is the same as 3.14%. That was it. Your decimal is now converted to a percentage. But why does this method work? Well, first recall that when you multiply any number by 1, the number remains the same. You may recall that 1 is equal to 100%. Let's divide by 100 on both sides of the equal sign. You can cancel out 100 in both the numerator and denominator of the right side of the equal sign. This gives 1 over 100 equals the percent sign. So the percent sign has the numerical value of 1/100th. Let's return to the previous example to show why you can multiply by 100% without changing the value of the number. Start off with 0.0314 times 100%. You now know that the percent sign has the numerical value 1/100th. So you can replace the percent sign with 1/100th. Now you cancel out the hundreds, and you're left with multiplying by 1, which equals 0.0314. So multiplying by 100% is the same as multiplying by 1, leaving the quantity unchanged. All in all, this method allows you to introduce a percent sign without changing the original value. So any conversion from decimal to percentage using this method is correct. Smuggling equivalent expressions into a calculation is a common trick in mathematics. It seems like things are pulled out of thin air, but in reality they are not. It takes a little getting used to, but you will notice that these neat little tricks solve a lot of problems for you down the road. Let's look at a final example. You want to convert the decimal 1.073 to a percentage. Multiply 1.073 by 100%, which you now know is the same as multiplying by 1. Just move the decimal point 2 places to the right and add the percent sign to get the answer, 107.3%. To convert a decimal to a percentage, you multiply the decimal by 100%.